Now I have a little bit of ground beef here. A little scoopful, putting a little bit of this ground beef right on top of these Pringles right here. Yum, look at all that meat. Okay, let's grab ourselves some cheese. We're coming through, and I am just going to take you can see I'm just grabbing it with my fingers. I'm just placing this cheese right here on top of this ground meat, making this adorable, cute little, I don't know, like what, taco bite. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. I'm really excited about these, having some people over this evening, and I really wanted to throw together a couple of cute little kind of appetizers, and this was one of them. I love the shape of the Pringle and the way that it kind of resembles a little bit of a taco. I just think it is adorable. All right, you guys, now that we have some cheese on all of those, we're gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven, and we're gonna let the cheese melt. I'd say 350 for probably about, I don't know, 5, 7, 8 minutes. Check on it, make sure it doesn't burn, but we're gonna let that cheese get melted. Wow, look at those, they smell amazing. Ooh, I love how the chips get a little bit golden brown, that cheese is nice and melted. We're definitely gonna get ourselves some delicious crispy lettuce, and we're gonna top off some of the shredded lettuce right there on the top. And you know what, it's okay if you have lettuce that falls onto the side, or if there's cheese on the tray that you baked it at, because you're gonna take them off of here and you're gonna plate them on a separate plate. So don't even worry if it looks a little bit messy right now. It's totally fine, and trust me, they are going to taste delicious. Everybody loves these things. They just resemble like these mini tacos, and I love using the Pringles because, like I said, they remind me of a cute little mini taco. Ooh, that's like a huge, what is that? What is that thing right there? That was like not a shredded piece of lettuce. That was an extra large piece we had there. Okay, so I'm just going through, putting some nice crispy lettuce on here. It complements that warmness of the beef and also that melted cheese. I love lettuce on my sandwiches. I love it on my tacos. I love it. Okay, there we go. Now, of course, we got to come in with some nice ripe and red juicy tomatoes. Compliments of David. Thanks, babe, for cutting those up for me.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm just going to place a couple of tomatoes right here on top. Ooh, they look so red and so juicy. Tomatoes are the best when they're in season, aren't they? And you know, sometimes it's like, it's just worth letting it sit for a couple more days just to get it nice and ripe and juicy. Oh, it is so worth the wait. Tomato, little bit of salt, call it a day. I'm good. Check on me in an hour. All right, you guys, look at these tomatoes. They're juicing. Look at, and it looks so pretty. I love the color. It brings so much color there. Okay, you guys, we got some onions, and we'll just quickly go through, sprinkle a little bit of onions on top. We are just crafting these cute little tacos of ours. Aren't they looking so good? Oh my gosh, I have a cute little tray I'm gonna put them on for later, and I know that these things are gonna be a hit. Everybody loves these. Okay, quickly and fastly, I don't think that's a word, but hey, we're using it anyways. Now we have a amazing dipping sauce here. Of course, if you would like to use sour cream, you could, but I found this taco sauce, and I love just putting a little bit like that right over the top. We're just squeezing this taco sauce right here on the tops of these. Holy moly. This is going to be such a great little bite in your mouth of all of this flavor. Hey, you know what? Why don't you have a Taco Tuesday party at your house, and everybody can play some games, and you can whip these things up. They will be a hit. How's that for an idea?
Oh, yeah.
I think we're gonna have to give that a try. Look at how easy those were. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to grab one of these. I do need to go ahead and plate them, but before I even do that, I'm gonna have to just give it a little bit of a try. So I'm carefully picking up my little mini Pringle taco. Look at that, you guys. Look at how cute that is. Oh, here's the true test. Oh.
Dang, a mouthful.
Delicious. I know I was gonna take a bite, but I felt like I just had to go all in. These are so good, you guys. Nailed it with this one. Enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you'd switch anything up. And my goodness, oh, my tomato came off. But look at that. These things are so good. Oh, love them.